Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and I am very excited today. Why I am exciting? Because I am going to take one more challenge for the next 30 days. And before starting the video, I want to tell you something that earlier, just over the past month, I have completely successful my 30 days challenge, and from that challenge I have learned a lot. Even though I faced various challenges, but I also gained my knowledge, my speaking language, my fluency, everything. I have gained many things. So I thought, why should I not start again challenge that will helpful for me and as well as for you. So in this video, in this series, I am going to take one question every single day and speak about at least for 2 minutes. I want you pick the same question and speak about in your own way the same question answer. Try to answer it in your version, in your way, so that you can also understand that how you are improving. I want you to encourage you that I want you pick the same question and answer it in your own way. So this is, I just wanted to tell you something. This is the very first day of the series 30 days challenge, and today's question is, can I describe my typical morning routine in English? Of course. Well, today I'm going to take you through my morning routine in English. It all starts with my alarm going off at 6 a.m. After hitting snooze once or twice, I muster my chutzpah and get out of my bed. As soon as I wake up, I start by stretching and taking few deep breaths to awaken my body and my mind, and then take a shower to freshen up for feel ready for the day. And then I visit the temple for a quiet time of prayer and reflection. After coming back, I head to the kitchen and prepare my breakfast. And while enjoying my breakfast, while preparing my breakfast, I listen positive affirmation. After that, I spend some time planning my day and jotting down some tasks, prioritize for my day. And once I have completed that things, I get dressed with my comfortable dress, comfortable attire. And once I am ready for the day, I grab my essentials like phone, key, water bottle, bag, everything, and leave for my office, where I work with focus and determination. Throughout the day, I take small shots to hydrate myself, to stretch and refuel with little bit snacks. By following this morning, I set myself for a productive and fulfilling day ahead.